You can't see it, but I'm sitting in the living room and I am surrounded by crafty things. So here is my paper card, and here is my washi tape and stamps over here, and here are the stamping pads, and here is the sizzix, and here are my dies, my stencils, and something for gluing, and yeah, my stamping pad. And that's what it looks like now. And as you can see, there's a little bunny, and I wanted to make some Easter cards. So that's the plan, and now I have to find out how the cards will look like, and then I need to get the paper I want. I will do that, and yeah, maybe you join me and see how I'm making my card.
I cut now my bunny paper card to the measures of the card I will use, the basic card, and here it is. And then I need another circle around the cut of the card, and it's easier to hold it in place with washi tape. And here's my sizzix machine, and I put the magnetic board and one of the clear boards on it, my dies with the paper, and the second clear board, and now I move on. I always go 2 times through the machine just to be safe that everything is cut out very well. I made a little jump to the next paper. I cut a circle inside the bunny paper, and now I need another circle in the background paper I will put on the white card and behind the bunny paper. Another washi tape so that it stays on the paper, and again 2 times through the big shot. 1 and 2. And here is the circle. And I place this now on the basic card and just check where the bunny paper will fit over there. And then I take a little pencil and mark where the circle should be, and then some glue, and back on the card. This is unnecessary, but okay. And then I take some foamy tape and put it on the back of the bunny paper. Everywhere. And here is the bunny already. I've already cut out in the hole, and the circle we did at the beginning. And now we have to remove the back of the tape and can put it on the card. Ta-da! I just changed the angle to show you a bit better how I'm making my cards. I'm doing a second Easter card now with another pattern, and here I'm using a blue background for the whole. I already cut all the things out because you have now seen as how I do it. So here's my little bunny already in the different background, and this is my circle, and this will go on top of the hole next to the bunny very neatly. Okay, nice. And now I take some foam tape so we have a bit of dimension on the card, and I will place this everywhere on the card, but not too close to the edges, otherwise you can see it from the outside of the card. Back to the base now, and we only need to adjust now the top of the card on the bottom. Yes. Very good. And then we finish with the Happy Easter banner. I also prepared this in advance because it's not very interesting how I stamp this. And now it's ready. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and we will see us next week for another video. Bye!